Alright guys, and today, I'm fucking nervous, dude. I'm nervous. Alright.
Guys, just to wing it, bro.
Alright guys, so today, I can't do that. Alright guys, today's video is going to be, first of all, back up. This is Christian.
What's up, y'all?
And I'm Colin. And today we're going to Golden Gardens. The idea is to do Ocean2Plate. So we're going free diving for a stone crab. Hopefully we can find some Dungeness crab. We're definitely bringing the spear gun. We're going to be shooting up some rockfish for sure. And we're going to do everything within 5 hours. We're going to go catch crab, we're going to go spearfishing, and we're going to cook it all on the beach right there. All right guys, we're here at Golden Gardens. We got all our dive gear, we got the tanks.
We got tanks.
The temperature outside is 72 degrees and the water is 54. All right guys, we're in the water, we're in the kayaks, ready to go kayak around the jetty, and we're gonna go see what's down there. All right guys, we have a 22-inch wooden stock, double band spear gun. First one took 5 minutes, he was right there.
No, under, less than a minute.
Less than a minute?
Less than a minute, Colin was down there. Christian just caught this.
Oh, come on, Christian. Dang, bro. All right, these fish right here, those are brown rockfish. They're really good. This big boy right here, that's a lingcod. All right, they're both really good fish. They have very different textures of meat. This crab right here, that's a Dungeness crab. Those are my favorite crabs right there. Psych, Maryland blue crabs all day. Those are red rock crab right there. Red rock crab have way harder shells. It's hard to crack them open. Dungeness, they're easy to crack open. The meat's fattier, it's juicier. It's pretty much the same taste. I think the red rock crab has sweeter claws. What we're gonna do is we're gonna steam these crabs, okay? That pot, it came from Guyana. The seasoning that we're using right now is JO #2 crab spice. It's delicious. It's a Maryland thing, a DMV thing. It's the combination of that spice, that seasoning, and apple cider vinegar and or beer. So I'm going to steam these crabs in apple cider vinegar and water. You can use beer instead, but in this situation, apple cider vinegar and water, that's it. So I grew up in Bowie, Maryland. Been swimming in the Chesapeake Bay since I can remember. When I graduated high school, I was 17 years old and I joined the Coast Guard. I was in the Coast Guard for about 7 years and I was always stationed on a boat. We went on deployments for about 2 months each and we traveled to some pretty awesome places. I was on 13 different patrols and in that time we visited some pretty awesome places. I'd say my favorite were Costa Rica, Puerto Vallarta, Panama, Puerto Rico, and you already know I was diving at every single place. I just love seafood and I don't want to pay for it, so my idea is just let's go catch it ourselves. That's it.
Oh, stop playing! You see how that joint is all on the bone? Stop playing with me.